Hi, today I'm going to educate you about some little-known recyclable and non-recyclable items that you may or may not know about. Let's jump right in. Some recyclable items are lead batteries, fluorescent light bulbs, CFL light bulbs, LED light bulbs, and magazines, depending on the recycling facility near you. Also, washed aluminum foil, aerosol cans and oil spray cans, if cleaned properly, metal bottle caps, and glass jar caps can all be recycled. Some items that you cannot recycle are alkaline batteries, lithium-ion batteries, laminated paper, wrapping paper, paper colored with crayons, incandescent light bulbs, most styrofoam, and more. You probably knew about at least one of these. But one confusing material for recycling is plastic. People know that plastic is harmful to the environment, and that's why we try not to use it as spoons, forks, knives, straws, and one-time use plastic water bottles. But is that because of the actual plastic, or because the plastic isn't clean? Well, actually, some types of plastic are recyclable. Some different kinds of plastic are PET or PETE, which is short for polyethylene terephthalate, HDPE or high-density polyethylene, PVC or polyvinyl chloride, LDPE or low-density polyethylene, PP or polypropylene, PS or polystyrene, and miscellaneous and other plastics. PET is almost always accepted by recyclers. It's very inexpensive, lightweight, and easy to recycle. It's the same with HDPE. LDPE and PP can be recycled only in some communities, but not all. PVC and PS are not accepted very often in curbside recycling programs, but some plastic lumbers might take it. And extremely few places recycle miscellaneous and other plastics. But the problem is that all plastic looks the same. So how do you tell which kind is which? Have you ever seen a small triangle of 3 arrows going in a circle that are usually on recycling bins? They look like this. This triangle is stamped or imprinted into the plastic material or product. In the center, there is a number from 1 through 7 stamped on there too. The number represents one of the types of plastic that I mentioned earlier. Here they are again. PET is 1, HDPE is 2, PVC is 3, LDPE is 4, PP is 5, PS is 6, and miscellaneous and other plastics are 7. The next time you're about to throw a plastic water bottle into the garbage can, think again. Can you recycle it? If so, remember to recycle it and get us one step closer to saving Earth and the environment and keeping it green.
Hi, I'm Nishka and I'm going to show you 2 DIY hacks for you to reuse your old recyclable items. This process is called upcycling. The first thing I'm going to be upcycling is this old container that I used to store my face mask. Before you start, you want to make sure that you thoroughly clean whatever you're upcycling. I used acetone, water, and soap. I'm basically going to be upcycling this container to a storage container for my valuable items. You can use markers, paint, and whatever else you want. Now you can use a ton of different colors and go overboard, but I'm just going to be using one black Sharpie. So I just finished and I drew some cool designs and I put a sticker on top. I decided to use this to hold my hair ties. Next, we're going to be making a necklace out of a plastic straw. So the first thing you want to do is cut up your straws into little pieces, and then you want to just get some string. I also decided to use this charm. Now you can just arrange all your beads on the string. This is what mine looks like. I hope you like the 2 DIYs and I hope you decide to upcycle more items.
So now we're going to talk about washing your recyclables. Now this may seem very basic and straightforward, but there's actually a big debate on whether you should wash your recyclables and how much you should wash. So we actually found that while your recyclables do need to be clean, they don't need to be spotless. So say you have something like this cardboard takeout box. It has food on the bottom and it is oily, so it would be a good idea to take a sponge and scrub it and take some warm water and rinse it. But it does not need to be, as long as it's clean, dry, and free of most food residue, it is okay to recycle.
Now we're cleaning. So optionally now you can get your sponge, obviously not required for all items. And then take some warm water and wash and rinse your items. And then shake them dry and you're done.